Hey guys, I'm here with my Dodge. In today's video, I just want to talk to you guys a little bit about the tip. Should be a short video. I've got this 5-inch MBRP exhaust tip. Because no sound comes out of this exhaust pipe anymore ever since I was forced to go back to stock, I'm just going to put a tip on. It's going to be strictly for looks. It's not going to change the sound at all. If you did have some sort of rumble coming out of your tailpipe, then this might act as a bit of a boom tube, but however, this won't be the case. So what I'm going to do now is just fit this over the tailpipe, find out whereabouts I want it to sit, and then we'll mark the tailpipe. Now there's no real rule to where you want to install your tip. It's just about how it looks. Clearly you don't want it to stick out beyond the vehicle, but it's nice to be able to see it from the back and the side and perhaps the front. That's really not too bad right there. I'm happy with that. Just under the truck here, going to mark at the end. Now that the end of the pipe's measured, I'll take it off. Now I just want to measure how much of the pipe is it actually going to grip, and it looks like 2 inches. I'm going to measure forward 2 inches from our back line, mark it, and we'll start cutting. There's our 2 lines. This is the one we're going to cut. I'm going to use the air saw. I like the air saw. Works pretty good with exhaust. I'm going to bust that out now. So the next step is to back out this clamping bolt. I'm going to take it right out. And I'm going to douse it in anti-seize. Okay, so I've got my bolt covered in anti-seize, and the reason I did that is so that if someday I do have to take it off, there's a fighting chance it'll come off or loosen. Where it sits behind the tire, it's just going to be sprayed with everything, all the wonderful things we put on the road here in Ontario. Everything's cut. Put my tip on up to my mark I made the first time. Double check. Yeah, I'm pretty happy with that. That looks good right there. I'll just make sure this, it does have a little hole in the bottom right here to drain out any liquid. As straight as I can by the eyeball. Now we're just going to go ahead and tighten our clamp up here. Oh yeah, that's pretty solid. I didn't actually think it would grab it that hard, but it's definitely not coming off. I tightened it as much as I could. I could start to see the washer bulge a little bit, so I'm assuming that's tight. Let's see, it doesn't move at all, so I'm really happy with that. Now we'll just go ahead, start it up, and I'll show you guys how this truck has no exhaust sound. I'm just going to hit the remote start button here, and we'll do the big reveal. And nothing. That's something I've noticed ever since I've had to put the stock exhaust back on. Now I'm going through 3 different catalysts. The exhaust smells like chlorine. There you have it, tips and stub. Pretty decent. I like it. Hey guys, I keep forgetting every video I make to thank you. We currently have over 2,200 subscribers, and we think that's really awesome. So we thank everybody that subscribed so far. So thank you once again.